Hi Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 29th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Cancer, I got a hook of a song for you. So Cancer, this is your channel song. Cancer, I know how it feels. I know you're very attached, you know? Cancer, what we're telling these... I'm so sick of being lonely every night round my man. Why is our homies? I wanna know what it feels to be loved, to be loved. I'm so sick of being lonely every night round my man. While he's out with his homies, I wanna know what it feels to be loved, to be loved. But the other night, wait, hold on. Darling, waiting on me. Going any other night, you'll be a bugaboo. What's going on? Any other night, you'll be calling me, stalking me. Any other night, I guarantee a page from you. But I'm so sick of being lonely every night round my man while he's out with his homies. I wanna know what it feels to be loved. To be loved. Maybe that's why every time your homie trying to go on the boys' night out, you don't want him go. I'm getting sick of you. He's out with his friends all day. Every minute him gone a rum bar. Every minute him gone out with him friends. What you do with the boys? So are you? It's for the boys, right? So I'm getting sick and tired of it, Cancer. Who wants to be in a relationship and you feel lonely? You feel single. Basically, you might be starting talking to one of his boys. But I'm getting sick of being lonely every night around your man. Is it your man? Maybe it's your boy's man. It's his boy's man, right? So I'm getting you want to know how it feels to be loved. You want somebody claim you. Them claim that them love you. Them claim, yes, I want to be with you. But you're never around. Every weekend you're going out with your friend them. You can't take one break and spend some time with... No, because obviously. That's why you're sick. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your channel. We're going to your reading. We're going to see who was your past life reading, Cancer. Yes, great. Bon. Super. Let's go. Who were you in your past life, Cancer? We have the angel. You were an angel. You're an angel. I'm getting you were so nice, so sweet. Or am I getting exactly a sat at home you did that what you were told? And your man's left you to go out with him fucking friends on the fucking weekend. That's what the fuck your man did to you. I'm sorry. Yeah, well, I'm getting you right, angel. Very, very nice, very tempered. I'm getting you sick of being around your fucking man. This is what the fuck happened. What did you do? The Eight of Swords? Well, I don't know what him did to you, because if you is an angel, I'm getting you get taken hostage. Angels don't kidnap people. So again, I'm so sick of being lonely every night round my man while he's out with his homies. Him out with him homies. And I'm getting he's taking your fucking hostage in your fucking house because him want you stay home. Wow, we don't know where the key is. Let's continue. What challenges do you face? We have the Ace of Swords. Me getting told the truth. He wouldn't tell the truth. Maybe because someone wanted you to stay pure or be an angel, them don't want to tell you what really happened. They're not telling you that they're trying to control you. I'm just telling you to be a good girl and they will also... I mean, no, is it that you was the abuser or you were the person who was getting taken advantage of? One out of the fucking two, okay? Because I'm getting you sick of staying at home, him not there, him a hold you hostage and you're like this. He would never give you the truth. That's a challenge you face. Him always a gaslight you. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. How did you die? You die by the death card. I'm getting a him kill you. Your abuser killed you after he was finished with you. I'm getting you never resist, you're an angel. I'm getting you were kidnapped. I'm getting him killed you and kill you when he was finished with you. Maybe you've threatened to leave him. I'm getting him killed you. What lesson did you learn? Yeah, see me here? This is the man who did it to you. I'm getting you learn that yes, men might be protectors, but they can also be hunters. I'm getting you learning how animalistic man can get. I'm getting somebody treated like an animal, basically. There's a horse here. Or somebody ride you till him couldn't ride you no more. What's the last thing now? How have what? Because I'm going to move outside for the other readings. How have you been influenced? The Hermit. Me getting in this life or now you stay alone? Or you understand what it is to... Me getting it's better you stay alone. Me getting you being alone don't mean you're lonely. You being lonely don't mean you're alone. Me getting you don't put your trust in men. You don't put your trust in people for defend you this time. Me getting you believe in the unseen because you have been an angel. And I'm getting nobody came and rescued the angel before the man kill you. Me getting the man tie you up, maybe put you in one dungeon, and me getting him to kill you. Him stab you to death, him cut you to death. Somebody could have even make them animal eat you alive. Me getting that them do you, Cancer. All because you never want to be with this man anymore, or the man want you stay at home while him out hunting. And apparently when him couldn't take your bitching no more, him hunt you. This is what I'm seeing. So let's see what else we have here. We have maybe friends and maybe more. We have cuddle. I'm getting force. It was forced to be with this man. Maybe forced to have sex with him. Larceny and the Hierophant. One more. The Wheel of Fortune. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time.